Yo, hello guys, Switch here. I just wanna say a few words about the Toygers app. You see there's a counter here, it's going to be 2 minutes and I can just proceed further. I will explain to you what's going on. They have collaboration with the BOINKERS and they have collaboration with some other programs, but I just wanna introduce you to Toygers and to the collaboration and what's all about, why I'm excited about this project and why you should dive into that project as well as soon as possible. So the Toygers app basically allowing us to create our own toy within Toygers app, and you will be able to decide how many units there is going to be. So BOINKERS decide to create their own toy and there's only 777 units. So if you have spare money aside, that's going to be amazing investment because that's gonna skyrocket eventually. Like decade from now, that's not gonna be $77. That's gonna be $7,000 or maybe $70,000 because within the NFTs, collectibles, especially physical things, that's totally different world. It's not like the people out there, they will have money to buy it. So that's like the long story short. Like you don't think like it's too expensive to buy this right now. Just think in the way like 20 years from now, somebody just wanna collect every Toygers because just why not? He's fucking millionaire and his kid wanna buy fucking all things. And guess what? You will be the person who can provide with that toy for like just a small generous tip of fucking $50,000, let's say. Although I'm like collectible myself, like I used to play Magic the Gathering for 20 years. I like to grab that stuff. So if I decide to buy it, like right now I'm unemployed, but I hope I will get some job next month or maybe 2 months from now, whatever. Just gonna go do random shit. So I will genuinely invest money into this because at the end of the day, $70 is not a big amount. So what I'm trying to say, firstly, just buy 2 things for yourself so you can have one and you can sell it one like 20 years from now just for basically pure profit, and put this into some fucking, just don't open it at all, put into some fucking glass, plexi, whatever, just seal that crap. You can wank on it if you want, but just don't open it to be a mint condition. And second step, we can unlock our toy builder, and unfortunately this is 20 days to unlock. So it's just my 6th day of having fun with this, so I'm waiting for it. So I need another 14 days, so 2 weeks to unlock this, and then I'm just hoping there's not going to be any price, but I think you will need to pay for it. I don't know how much, I don't know anything, just because I need to wait another 14 days. But the idea is to create my own toy with my own unique amount of those toys, how much you can buy. And then obviously I will put my logo, or maybe I will just do like some funny face. I don't know. No, I'm just gonna put, I just fucking with you right now. I'm just gonna put the my avatar, and it will be like Switch to Pro or Switchback toy. Switchback, I like Switchback, it's my nickname. So yeah, that's what I want to say. Like, I'm so excited because I can build my own toy. That's why I'm so fucking excited. It's not fucking exciting to have a toy which is going to be implemented basically into ecosystem, so anyone can buy it if you want, and if they don't buy it, they're gonna lose the basically one and only opportunity to buy your fucking toy. You get the idea? Like your brand, you putting your brand into it, like. And you might ask like, okay, Switch, but you are like new channel and nobody give a fuck about you. It's not like somebody cares about you. You just have a passion to something. You just implement that and you don't give a fuck. Some people are gonna buy it or not. You're just doing for yourself. You're just doing for yourself, basically. I'm genuinely gonna create that. I hope it's not expensive. And then I just gonna fucking buy this. I think I'm just gonna fucking... instead of investing on those toys, that's a fucking good idea. I'm just gonna buy my own and I can fucking promote that, right? Ah, Ah, that's a clever thing. You need to do like 100 copies, buy out like fucking 90. Don't tell anybody I bought 90, you know. Obviously, I just bought one. And then... and then, obviously, sell fucking 90 20 years from now for fucking, I don't know, 100,000 pounds each. That'd be amazing. That's a good idea, though. So if you have money, definitely invest into that. Obviously, I'm just taking a piss. A little bit of fun, but you have to read along the lines. Fun in the same way. I think that shit might happen. To be honest with you, so definitely look into that. Definitely try to unlock that toy builder. Try to mess with it. Like, I'm just gonna give you the info 2 weeks from now, and we'll see how much is it. How much we need to pay for it, because I assume like, okay, everything is super cool, but I don't think so. It's for free, so we'll see about that. Obviously, if you want to buy the toy for the Boinkers, I don't know, you're going to get something from it. They should have here like sort of ad for it. Get a limited edition Boinkers physical toy. And it's like climbed, but basically what it does, it will go to Toygers app, and that's why I climbed like 2 million golds in the Boinkers game. It's like fuck all anyway. So they're actually supposed to give you something from buying the toy, because that's like fuck all. Like they're supposed to give you honestly some like good stuff within the game, if that makes sense. Like something you actually, you know, get something from it. But at the end of the day, honestly, I'm just finishing off right now, but just if you have money, some spare money, I think that's like genuinely like super fucking amazing investment, and you will have like massive profit if you want to have, like, if you're gonna buy a couple of toys from everything what's in here. Just take a quick look what we actually can buy it, like okay, so there's, I don't know why I can't scroll down on the phone. I have like all the toys. Here I just have only 2 friends. Yeah, these are my, it's like my friends account. By the way, thank you very much for people who actually go through my referral link. I don't know, do I have any points from you guys, because it's nothing really showing me, but if I, doesn't matter. Thank you very much anyway. Obviously, I will keep that in mind. Like, when I'm gonna be fucking famous person, I will just basically do like without the raffle giveaways for those people who support me on the beginning. Like, don't tell anyone, but telling you now. Fuck knows where is that. Oh, okay, maybe here. Yeah, maybe in the tab, which is fucking name, fucking collection. Yeah, that's the one. That's. Anyway. Yeah, we have the that shitty one. Then we have from the game, which actually I'm super excited, because those 2 games I'm going to support on my channel. So I genuinely believe in the Boinkers. I genuinely believe also in the City Holder, which I didn't show you that game, but I'm playing already every day. It's super fucking amazing. We're just building our utopia city, or dystopia city, or Twitchtopia city. Just building your utopia, and it's fucking amazing game. This one, I don't know what the fuck is that. Angels, but I might look into that. Basically, I probably will look into every toy. So they're not super expensive, but also in the same time, obviously, if you struggle with money, so that's gonna be expensive for you. But just keep that in mind. That's gonna be the best investment, maybe even in your life, if you're just gonna invest into that. Like, you will say thank you Switch for letting us know about this. Like 20 years from now. Okie dokie, so thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. I really want to share that, because that's like, this project is fucking amazing. On top of that, you will obviously get the airdrop from obviously mining the currency on that app. So if you don't mind to help me in my journey to be a full-time streamer, YouTuber, you can just go and access my referral link and just do that. Just looks fun, innit? Like somebody's fucking wanking. Like I need to start my every video like that right now. Switch, what are you doing? Well, I'm just playing the game, man. I'm just so excited about this. Anyway, one more time, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Take care and bye 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 for now.